Hello, precious people. My name is Prisca, and today I'm going to show you how I achieve this beautiful, natural looking crochet braid style. This is the brand that I use. I know right now I'm showing 2-cup pack, but I actually only use one. I just like to mix the colors together, but it's in total 1 pack. Yes, I do wash my braids. It's very important for me to remove all the chemicals, all the process that the hair goes through. And I'll link a video down below showing you guys and giving more detail as to why I wash my braids, my wigs, before wearing them. And as you guys can see, the hair actually even looks more natural now. Now I do deep condition my hair, make sure I do a nice protein treatment. Usually I make the protein treatment by myself, but this is just my backup just in case I didn't get a chance to do it myself. And voila, I recently cut my hair. My hair is growing so fast. Personal shedding kicked my butt, but I got this. This is pretty much the braiding pattern. I try to do any braiding pattern that kind of gives my hair some kind of break. I'm really trying to grow back my hair, so the less the tension, the better. And I just used a crochet hook to connect the braids, and this is pretty much how I connect it, and this is how it looks. Now I use this herbal oil for nutrition purposes, guys. This oil, I'm just gonna let you try it. The good thing, she allows you to buy a kit where you could try it, and if you love it like me, then you go and buy the big pack. Now I like to spray rose water after, like, I just finish, you know, braiding my hair, just for soothing purpose. After all that manipulation, the scalp could be a little too tender. Now, to avoid my hair from being full, what I do is that I start by first parting my hair 2 fingers apart in the back, and then I start doing it in the side. I do one side just to help me, this give me a guidance on how to feel the hair without it looking bulky. So this process allowed not only to form a guidance to help me film the hair, but it also helps me to layer the hair to avoid too much cutting at the ends. So one side of the back, it's done. As you can see, literally, I have a guidance on how to go fill out the other side. And this is how the other side looks once I fill it up. And now I even have a better guidance on how to fill out the rest of the hair. So my focus is just to focus first on the sides, which gives me a guidance on how to fill out this the center. And this is how I avoid my hair from being bulky, guys. That's pretty much the secret. The hair is so full that literally a little bit goes a long way. But pretty much just a little guidance in the back. I take one braid, separate it in 2, but as I move to the front, I start separating the hair in 3, just to avoid the hair again from being too full. Like that, as I focus in the side and go ahead and fill it up based on the guidance of the hair. As you can see, the back start filling it up without me putting too much hair in the back. This part here, it's the part where it's really important to take your time, because that's pretty much what will not only help cover the back, but it will also help the hair looks very similar. So this is when I start doing what people will say the invisible parting, and I take my time and fill it up. Like, I take my time in this part. I know it looks like I'm going fast, but I really take time. Even after this, I still went back and I filled it up, because this is where This part here will either make or break your style. So please take your time, and a little bit goes a long way. Again, it's best to put a small in the beginning and go back and fill it up instead of doing big chunks. And just like that, bam. And what even helps some more is just to go and tease the root using either a brush or a small tooth or comb. Just this helps the part to look even more seamless, guys. Now, one of the reasons I absolutely love this braids is how it just reacts to water. A lot of people use mousse or even like gel, but I just keep it simple. Water does it for me. I just use a little bit of water to tame it down, but I love my puff, so it works for me. Though we have reached the end, now I have a little surprise for you. Brand for a very natural looking crochet braids. Let's go. Alright guys, we have reached the end. Thank you again so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share with someone that will find it helpful. Follow me on my social. Again, I share because I care, so please do take care. Bisous.